Hi mga ka-historians! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn something about Philippine history. Are you ready? Let's go! Our topic for today is all about history. But first, what is history? The word history came from the Greek word historia, which means to inquire or knowledge acquired through inquiry or investigation. So when we talk about history, we're basically referring to the exploration and understanding of past events through research, examination, and investigation. History is an area of study that has existed for nearly 2,400 years, along with mathematics and philosophy. When the word history was translated into classical Latin, it took on a new meaning. Historia became known as a story of persons or groups passed through written documents and historical evidences. According to Dr. Sue Salazar, history can be defined as mga pangyayari na may saysay para sa grupo ng taong sinasaysayan. That means, history pertains to the events that have importance for a group of people who experienced or were affected by them. For example, the EDSA People Power Revolution is an example of history, because it is important to all Filipinos since it was the reason why we switched from parliamentary to presidential governance. Here are also the definitions of history according to some historians. What is the importance of history? History is important for everyone's understanding of themselves and the world around them. History teaches us about ourselves by learning about our cultural background and where we've come from and the events that brought us to the past. For example, Maria is a student learning about Philippine history. She learned about the colonization of the Spaniards and how they introduced Christianity in the Philippines. As such, she learned why most Filipinos words are almost the same as Spanish words and why Christianity is the largest religious group in the Philippines. History also gives us an important viewpoint for understanding present and future problems by reflecting on our past events. For example, the Yolanda typhoon killed hundreds of people not just because it was a strong typhoon, but because we were not prepared for it, and therefore there are a lot of shortcomings in our government. This gives us a perspective of the importance of early warning system. In every disaster that might happen, we must be ready. History, therefore, explaining what happened in the past, explains the present and guides the future decisions. That's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, get notified, share, and like our videos. See you next time!